Very hot temperatures take over later this week as we also see a few chances for those storms to move through, may even feature a chance for severe weather. As we head into the rest of our Monday, we will end up warming up, but looks like those conditions will stay dry. As of right now, a lot of us climbing into those 80s, 84 degrees in Mount Morris, 83 in Dixon, 78 in Roscoe, not too far behind. We'll end up climbing into those mid to upper 80s later today as we start to warm things up. You'll notice sunshine, but along with that, might even notice a bit of a haze. That's thanks to that wildfire smoke moving in. Regardless, we'll still see some of that sun through the hazy skies as temperatures hit 87 degrees by 3 o'clock. We then end up seeing some of that haze as some areas, especially further to the north into southern Wisconsin, are under an air quality alert. That expires tomorrow at noon, and this is due to that air quality being reduced due to that wildfire smoke moving in. May spill over to places far northern Illinois, so we may still see something here in our backyards, even though we aren't under any of those alerts. Air quality may drop, unhealthy for those sensitive groups. There's that smoke that slowly starts to move down. It does look to stay further to the east as of right now, and even throughout your evening. This is closer to about 9:30, and then it quickly ends up moving away from our area as we do see some relief when it comes to that air quality. Otherwise, we stay dry and sunny for today, just a little hazy. Might notice some hazy sunsets as well. 88 degrees for that forecast high. Winds are going to stay relatively calm today as we then drop into the mid-60s. Mostly clear for a lot of us. We do have a low chance for an isolated shower or storm to bubble up. I think a lot of us are going to stay dry overnight as we then really bring on the heat. Starting tomorrow, those temperatures cross over into the 90s thanks to this pattern slowly shifting, bringing us that high heat and heat dome closer to our area. First moves into the central United States and then into the Midwest, bringing us into those mid to upper 90s, especially by Thursday, and also some frequent chances of those showers and thunderstorms as that storm track lines up just onto the top of that heat dome, bringing us those frequent chances. But it's a really good time to prepare for that high heat. Try to move any of those outdoor events inside. Maybe try to limit your time outside as well. Prepare your home like windows, air conditioning, etc. Make sure you know where those cooler centers are if you need them, and make sure you learn the signs of heat illness as well. With that heat, we'll also see potential for strong storms, a 2 out of 5 into your Wednesday, something we'll keep an eye on as we get closer to with more details to become clear. But it's going to feel like the triple digits by Thursday, and in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we still hang on to the 90s on Friday, but more active weather returns into the weekend, and then we start to cool off, if you will, back into those mid to lower 80s. Brittany.